Good afternoon, everyone. I am Fahmida E Assistant Professor from the Department of Political Science, USTM. So today's my topic is on public administration, meaning and nature. So this topic is specifically for the MA Political Science first semester. So let's discuss about the topic first of all. So before going to understand about the term public administration, first of all let's understand about that what is the meaning of the term administration. Administration, it is derived from a combination of two Latin words, ad and ministrari, which means to serve, to care for, or to look after. So basically when we talk about administration, it means that when two or more people are involved in any activity, then it is called administration. So basically it is a process of cooperation, coordination, proper communication for the effective and efficient accomplishment of administrative tasks of any organization. So here are some definitions which are given by Luther Gillick, L.D. White, Herbert Simon. So significantly, these social scientists, they have talked about the administration in that manner that administration is that whole where every kind of things which will going to be done with the accomplishment of certain set goals, objectives and the targets. Okay, but as I said, when two or more people are involved in any activity, then it is called as administration. But any activity means there are two aspects of administration. One is the positive aspect of administration and another one is the negative aspect of the administration. So under positive aspect, we can say that all those tasks, whatever it has done for the constructive activities, for the benefit of the people. Like say for example, we can say the activities of the government which gives the benefits or we can say that which they are doing for the welfare activities of the people's benefit. And on the other aspect, that is the negative aspect. So basically the negative aspect, the administration, definitely there also the administration is required, which basically work for certain kind of destructive activities. Like we can say for example the activities of robbers and thieves. Now coming to the main point, that is about the public administration. So public administration, we can say that it is that stem of administration which operates within a specific political setting. It is a means by which the policy decision made by political decision makers, that is we can say the political decision makers are the political executives, or we can say the ministers, who are basically the decision takers or the decision makers. So public administration, we can say that is a specialized activity where cooperative human effort is necessary towards the achievement of common goal. We can't say that whatever the activities it is going on under the public administration, okay, the governmental activities through which the people will going to get the benefit. So this is not actually unconscious effort. Actually for that they have a certain purposive course of action. On that basis they are trying to fulfill the basic needs of the people, basic necessities of the people, through which the common people will get the benefit. So that's why we say that public administration is decision-making, planning the work to be done, here we are formulating the objectives, the targets and the goals. It is going to working with the legislature and the citizen organizations to give public support and funds for governmental programs. It is establishing and revising the organization in it, directing and supervising the employees. Where also we can say that it provides leadership and communication, determines the work necessary to complete. It assesses the performance of the employees who are working in any organization, specifically in the governmental organizations, as public administration is also known as the governmental organizations. Why? Because it is basically work for the welfare service of the people, and for which the people are getting the effective services or benefits. So it also exercises the controls and other functions performed by structure, we can say that it is the action part of the government and the means by which the purposes and the goal of the government are realized. So these are the certain definitions mentioned here by Dr. Wilson, as we write, Herbert Simon. Then coming to the next topic, that is the nature of the public administration. So when we talk about the nature of the public administration, it is divided into two categories. One is the individual view and another one is the managerial view. So individual view, it encompasses all the activities which are undertaken, for example, to achieve an objective. So basically it is the sum total of managerial, technical, clerical and manual activities. It constitutes the activities of all employees or the people who are working in the organizations from the top level to the bottom level. Here, as it is said that all the works of the employees from the top level to the bottom level of the employees. So definitely, the subject matter of any concerned agency, it is going to be different from one sphere to another sphere. Okay. So their tasks, their way of executing of the tasks are different from one another. As higher authorities, they are the managerial levels, they are the decision makers. Middle level of authority, they are the managerial levels. Lower level of authority, they are the executives. Actually, we will leadership in the tasks of the decided, which is already set by the administrator. So their tasks, way of executing the tasks are different from one another. So that is what about the individual view. And the chief exponents of this view are Woodrow Wilson, Alvin White, Marshall A. Mock, John Kushner, and Percy McCone. So another view is that is managerial view. So managerial view encompasses only the managerial activities and not the technical, clerical, and manual activities which are non-managerial in nature. So basically, definitely, as it says that under managerial view, it only going to count the works of the managers. Basically, who are taking the decisions or making the decisions. So their work is going to be counted on here. So yes, so it constitutes the activities of only the top level officials and managers. So according to this view, it is said that the people who are working in any organization, so the masterminds are considered only the managers only, because the others, the subordinates who are following the work, they are just following the tasks, whatever it is already set by their higher authority, or we can say that by the managers or the leaders. So that's why here it is saying that the work of the managers are counted as it. So it is same in all the spheres. It is definitely only the work of the managers will count, either it is the higher top level authority or the middle level authority or the lower level authority. But in each and every levels, they are involved in the taking or making the decisions. So their way of executing the task is not different from one another. So it is same in all the spheres, as the managerial techniques are same in all the fields of the activity. And the chief exponents of this view are Ludwig Kulik, Mason, Herbert Simon, Henry Fayol, Midberg, and Thompson. So, coming to the conclusion of this given topic, that is, we have understood that public administration is interdisciplinary in theory and practical in its application. As we all know that public administration is the applied aspect of the government. If political science is going to studies about the discipline of political science is going to studies about the formation of the state. To run the state, there will be basic, the authentic mechanism, the machinery, that is the government. So how the government is going to function, how the government is going to run. So that is what we have studied in the discipline of public administration. So that's why it is considered as the applied aspect of the discipline under social science, specifically in the umbrella of politics. So it is considered as a dynamic process and will be alive as soon as civilization itself. So it has a political character, definitely, and functions in a specific political setting. It seeks the assistance, cooperation of, and also actively associated with various groups and agencies. So we can say that it is that kind of mechanism which provides specialty services and performing functions assigned to it. So at last we can say that public administration is that specific and mechanism where the set targets have formulated in a conscious manner for the upliftment, for the development process, or we can say for the benefit of the people as well. Thank you.